Well, I'm back with my son, Bryson. You might recognize him from our NZXT video. What day is it?
Christmas.
Christmas. So what did Santa bring you this season?
Got a Astro A40 Mod Kit. My headset.
What is that?
It's basically the Astros. They have different things, like you have speaker tags, and they're all like magnetic. So you can like take these off, get custom ones, the different ones. Same with the inside, your muffs.
So these are magnetic.
Yeah, they're magnetic.
Pretty cool. These look pretty worn, man.
Yeah, they're kind of beat up and dead.
So
Been used for a while.
Cool. So let's unbox, man. You haven't had these out yet?
No.
Oh, cool. You waited for all these people on the camera. Go. Official unboxing of the mod kit. Now I did a little shopping. There's different colors if you're looking for different colors, and I kind of got something I thought would match his kind of decor in his little gaming room. And I got my little Batmobiles, 1966 Batmobiles on display here. I'll be doing a separate unboxing on those, so check that out. We should get a close-up of you doing this. There you go.
Packaged tight. I don't know if this is the intended way to open this. Why I'm doing it. From the bottom, that
It is
explains a lot.
It's
Look at
gamer
this.
proof.
This. I did all of that for nothing. But now.
Yeah, and Grandma makes us do the jammies, so we're all in Christmas PJs, and he got to play Santa today. We always have a Santa stand-in because he's resting in the North Pole. So we are 5 minutes into him unboxing, in case you're wondering. You didn't see the whole unboxing. We've had to give up on one end, and now we're doing the next end. There it is. Whoa. Okay, hold it up. Let's go to the close-up. There it is. So what's in there?
There's one speaker, muff.
Now they're supposed to be sound counseling.
Yeah.
So the earpieces, these are supposed to cover the sound hole.
And then the other one is down here.
So it's got two different levels. Let's go back to this other shot. So it's got a cool package.
Dang, yeah, these ones are canceling. My other ones don't have the rubber right there.
So these are magnetic as well?
Yep.
Yeah. Got little magnets. You get close up with that. So this has little magnets in it. And this is the blue ones.
And if you use it, there's a microphone here. I have a USB Blue Yeti X microphone. I'm not going to need this, but it's there if you need it. And then the other speaker tag.
So now if you were going to game, right, to an event, you would use this.
Yeah.
And this is an upgraded, supposedly this is an upgraded microphone. So we'll have to do an A/B test of this later. So you can check out. If you see Bryson in a video, it's going to be to do with gaming. If you see only me without him, it's going to be doing lots of other things around gaming. Some things I have for gamers in my studio, like my Elgato key lights. Yeah, this actually, I think, just twists off right here. I watched the videos on YouTube. Were you completely surprised that you got this?
Yeah, I had, honestly, I think I saw like one thing about this. About it.
Show you popping that on. So that just snaps in a slot on both sides.
Yeah.
And so you just separate it and it pops right in. So now how do the headpieces go in?
These come out in the middle.
And I think they're a specific side.
Yeah, so this one will be to the right, I'm pretty sure. Wait, nope, wrong side. To the left.
Pretty cool. I think it's amazing that these A40s have the ability to be modified and they have magnets. That's incredible.
And that goes there. And with these two, there's if you want, you can put that microphone on either side. It's not just on one side. There's a hole for.
So the microphone is interchangeable.
Yeah, and then these can switch obviously to either side.
Oh, cool.
So that because one has a hole for it and the other one doesn't.
So now you've had the A40s for how long now? 2 years?
Yeah.
And so what would you say to people that are looking at A40s?
Well, they definitely last. They've lasted me a long time. And it's not like they got like uncomfortable at any point. I mean, they're kind of like scuffed up because I've had them forever, but they are good quality. Sounds good.
This is a condition of his, but they're still holding up and they're still magnetic. And these would be for if you wanted to hear people walking into your gaming room. He'll wear these now because then when I interrupt him, he won't even know I'm standing there.
Yeah, and then it's like, you know, adjustable on either side completely.
So are you excited?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay. So you know, your other video, it's Christmas Day. Your other video has, I think, 1,600 views, dude. You're styling. You're making me look good on YouTube. So now how can they find your gaming station?
A gaming station?
Yeah, where you stream games.
Oh. At twitch.tv/NoirBB. It's NOIRBB.
And it's right here on the screen. Did you see that? It's right there. Awesome. So anything you want to say to them about A40s or about any games that you're playing right now? Is there any game you're looking forward to playing right now that's new? Because you spend a lot of time right now playing.
A lot of Valorant, but not sure what I'll be playing that's new right now.
Awesome.
Probably just keep playing Valorant.
So if you're looking for a mod kit for your A40s or you're looking for some A40s, then check out the links here below. And hopefully we'll do some more with Bryson on gaming. So from us here in Life Journey Production Studios, Merry Christmas from me.
And from me.
Say Merry Christmas, Bryson.
Merry Christmas.
We'll see you guys later.